Experiencing issues with your Total Wireless eSIM? Let's tackle the common problems. First, QR code issues. Ensure the code hasn't expired. They're typically valid for 24 to 48 hours. Generate a new one through the Total Wireless app or website if needed. For IMEI-related errors, your phone might be locked or blacklisted. Check your IMEI compatibility on the Total Wireless website or by dialing *6. Unlocking your device through the original carrier, e.g. Verizon, might be necessary. These are the first steps to resolving most eSIM activation failures with Total Wireless. If your eSIM profile fails to download, the issue is often network-related or due to app glitches. Try switching to a stable Wi-Fi connection or clearing the Total Wireless app's cache. Still no luck? A network reset might be needed. On iOS Android, go to Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. Remember to back up your data first. If problems persist, contact Total Wireless support through their app or chat. Resolutions typically take 24 to 48 hours. As a last resort, a factory reset may resolve deeper issues, but this erases all data, so back up before doing this. These steps will address the main eSIM issues on Total Wireless.